This is coming to you from John Wayne's 26 Bar Ranch in Eager, Arizona.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make fry bread. I'm also going to show you a couple of suggestions for toppings. Now, to make fry bread, all you need is flour, salt, baking powder, oil, and water. And to get started, we need to make the dough. Okay, in my mixing bowl I have some flour, and I'm going to go ahead and add my baking powder and my salt. Just going to mix that up a little bit. And I'm just going to make a little well and add my canola oil, or you could use vegetable oil. I'm also going to add about 3/4 cups of water. And I'm just going to give it a stir and keep mixing until it comes together as a dough. Okay, so there's our dough. I did have to play with it a little, if it's too dry, add a little bit of water. If it's a little wet, add some flour until you get a nice consistency for the dough. And that's about what you're looking for. And now we have to take this and divide it into about 8 to 10 balls. Okay, you want the balls to be, a little bit like golf ball size. Okay, now all the dough balls are formed, and what we're going to do now is form them into flat discs, just like that. And you take it, pop a little hole in the center, and that'll keep it flat when it's frying. I'm going to do that with all of the dough balls. Okay, this is the last disc. Now we're ready to go over to the oil and fry. Okay, we are ready to cook the fry bread. I've got a little over 1/2 inch of canola oil in a skillet. It's hot and ready to go. I have a sheet pan lined with paper towels to drain it after it's done cooking. And all I'm going to do is take the dough discs, flatten them one more time in my hand, and put them in the oil, let them brown on both sides. Okay, you can see these are nice and golden on both sides, ready to come out of the oil. Just going to do the same thing to all of the fry bread discs, and then we'll be ready to top them. Alright, as far as toppings go, you can really top your fry bread with anything you want. I have some suggestions. The first being, do it like a taco, with meat or beans, lettuce, tomato, and cheese. The second is to treat it like a dessert and use, powdered sugar, cinnamon sugar, honey, chocolate sauce, that kind of thing. And my personal favorite is just to top it with sharp cheddar and eat it like that. So really, you could do anything you want. And there you have it, fry bread. Try it at home, it's tasty. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now I have my balls.
This was brought to you from John Wayne's 26 Bar Ranch in Eager, Arizona.